So we just need these 3 colors for our honeybee. So first we have to make the body. So for that you just have to take some clay and then roll it out. After getting the desired shape, just keep it aside and then move towards the stroke or the lines which are present on the honeybee's body. Now wrap both the lines on the body and 2 eyes. Then for the wings we are going to use white clay and give this a wing shape. Make sure that your both wings are in same size. Now stick those to the body. And that's it, your cutie pie honeybee is ready. And if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe button.